Inday, mga dudong. So ngayon mga Inday, may pupuntahan tayo mga Inday. This is one of the important thing that we need to do. Si Bibi Kano Day, binigay yung sapatos. And then nandyan si Bibi Kano Day, pasensya na kayo sa sala ha. Kasi nga is kalat na naman Day, inayos ko na yan kanina lang Day. And then ngayon, pinalat uli ng batang batuta to Day. Ito yung may kasalanan. Are you ready? Papa is ready, it's there! Yay! Higo pa na! Let's go na mga Inday. Mag-ready na kami Day. Pupunta na tayo! Let's go! Friends, tara na friends. Let's go na. We need to go friends. Yung anak ko isa, nandyan yung anak ko isa Day. Mamaya ko na yan ayusin yung kalat ni Bibi Kano Day. Come here na Asher. Come here, come here, come here. My love, it's cold in outside, love.
I'm doing good.
Oy, I will put my jacket on. Ay. Come here na, mama. Give me your brother na. Kukunin ko dito ka. Give me, Asher. Come na, Asher. Where's the jacket of Asher? Naku, asa ko blue nga jacket ni Asher nakbi. Just in case lang, sinutugnaw ka to. Nasa couch palihog lang. Please, please. Okay, let's go na mga Inday. Pupunta na tayo Day. Nagdala ako ng baby wipes and then isang pampers Day. Just in case Day, magpupo to ito doon Day. So may reserva tayo Day. Tabangi po yung inahanak. Dala na dito. Kani pampers. Dala ni tanan. Kana. Tabangi po kuno. Unsa Day ko ni mo. Di ka kabumutabang. Sila ka nagawas na. Akong anak Day. Wak din akong anak Day. Day, kuha muna. Mag-perfume muna ako Day ha. Perfume muna ako Day. Wala pa akong perfume. Inday, nakalabas na tayo dito sa bahay. Pero Day, ilagay ko muna si Bibi Kano sa kanyang upuan Day. Mga Inday, pupunta na tayo. Nagmamadali na kami mga Inday. Kasi nga is yung oras namin Day, medyo mahaba-haba pa ito na biyahe Day. And then alam nyo ba anong ginawa ni Bibi Kano is ay nako, nagpoop uli si Bibi Kano mga Inday. And then ngayon medyo late na kami mga Inday kasi yung time Day ba, but it is what it is mga Inday. So ngayon i-lock natin yung door dito and then punta na tayo. Hindi siya malamig today. Let's go lang. Let's go. And I don't know. Bristol Road. Inday, alam nyo ba, gusto ko itong Google Map dito sa Apple. Kasi nga is, siya day, nagsusumbong siya day kapag may pulis. So malalaman mo kung may pulis day, malalaman mo so you can prepare yourself. So gusto ko itong map na to. Ay, ginako. So dahil nandito kami sa super highway na ngayon mga inday. Nandito na tayo. May Harley motorcycle dyan. Mga inday, nandito na kami sa Children's Hospital day. Yung anak na dyan, yung anak ng isa, yung asawa ko. Dito tayo doon. Punta tayo dyan day. Pasok tayo dyan. Uy, ginoo ko day. Naku kaya day. Day, i-update ko na lang kayo mamaya day ha. Ang bigat, bibitan no. Mga inday, nandito na kami sa loob mga inday. And then kailangan namin pumunta sa second floor. My love, this one here? Or what? Second? This one? Ang asawa ko dahil. Nalisunod. Maganda yung nila dahil. Decoration dahil. Look the color ba? The decoration is like.
I will, if you are okay, because during the conference, remember I told you last time after the after we obtained the overnight EEG, I will discuss his case in our epilepsy conference. So will you allow me to share this video to the team?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
So let's wait for this EEG to be done.
Yes,
And then,
in July.
there is another test we need to do, the neuropsychological evaluation.
Yeah. That is June. I know. June the EEG and then July the
Neuropsych. Okay. And then can I schedule a follow-up visit?
Okay.
As late in the afternoon as we can get on those.
Late is better for you?
Yeah, because I'm going through vacation time on doctor's appointments so fast.
No worries. Are you available on October 7? 3:20 in the afternoon?
That would be.
Hey, Asher, what are you doing? Tingnan yung papa.
He's riding the horsey.
Nagustuhan ni Bibi Kano dahil. Yung papa niya.
You should see his face. Like, give me that.
Hey, look. Guess what there?
Oh. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, the pony broke. Look, he's trying to make it move again.
Sige, yun ka lang.
Yeah, the pony broke. You kill me.
He's so cute. Dito tayo sa loob ng clinic mga inday. Ito yung clinic nila day.
You got a puppy shoe. And you got another puppy shoe.
Tapos na nag-check up yung doktor day.
Your
And
puppy
then,
shoes have ears?
Anong susunod day.
Yeah.
So may mga bagong test na gagawin day.
I don't know if that's two different pairs of shoes.
Tingnan natin.
Or is it supposed to be that way? I don't
I-update ko kayo mamaya
understand.
kung ano yung sabi ng doktor pag nandoon na kami sa bahay.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand why your shoes are different. Yeah. I think we're missing the right hand shoe for this one, and we're missing the left hand shoe for this one. Yeah.
Mga inday, tapos na kami mga inday.
Well, I'd like to go in the park over here. Look, there we go. Right there.
Yeah, nandyan yung sasakyan namin tayo. And then, let's go na tayo. Ito yung ano nila dito, day clinic.
See that one?
What?
It's in the TV.
Ah, yeah. Two seats on the TV. Let's go. Yay. So they will call us love dear. So, come here na love. That is in first floor, yeah?
Yeah. Lobby, ground. Yeah, the start.
Yay. That was big.
All that walking through the parking garage and everything just to get back over here.
Yeah.
And then we had to go all the way back.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Ay, labas na tayo mga inday. Oh, maganda yung clinic nila dito day. Mag-ama, nandyan yung mag-ama ko day. Ay, laban. Laban inahan hanggat kaya. Diba day? Laban talaga tayo. I said we gonna fight.
Yeah, that's right.
Palabas na tayo, guys. Palabas na tayo. Oh, it's little cold. I have no jacket. Ang asawa ko wala ding jacket. Anak, come here na anak. Nandiyan yung anak ko dahil. And then punta na tayo sa ating sasakyan. Bibikan mo yung pakta niya. Ito yung lugar dahil busy. Okay, kukunin ko mas bibikan o dahil at ilagay ko sa sasakyan mga inday. Ay, mga inday, nandito na kami, malapit na kami sa amin mga inday. But nag-stop kami doon dahil kasi yung anak ko nangala dahil og ice cream. Nag-crave ng ice cream yung anak ko, yung vanilla na flavor. Masarap kasi yun dahil yung vanilla flavor dahil ba. And then ngayon dahil may nagbanggaan dahil sa intersection. May nagbanggaan and then may pulis na. Dito dahil ang bilis makarating yung pulis dito dahil. Ito sa Jumerica dahil. So nandito tayo sa intersection. Do you think who is the fault that wreck there?
The woman.
The woman. The going here
We're gonna
or
overheat.
going like that?
I can smell it. We're gonna overheat. We're doing too much sitting.
Shh. Go.
I'm running this red light.
Yeah, that's right. Nandyan na ako.
Can't sit there through another cycle.
That's right. So here you go mga inday. Ito yung lugar dito nila. This is a small houses here, my love, no? Look.
Yeah, they're old houses made in the 50s.
50s. So it's something like that. It's how many years total? 100 years? No. Like 80 years.
No.
There's a, this is the small cars.
Our house is over 100 years old.
Yeah. It's like it's
Made in 1926.
century.
No, 1924.
It's century car, house.
It was 102 years old.
Yung bahay namin dahil sobrang luma na yung bahay namin dahil pero ano dahil still maganda pa din siya dahil 100 years old na yung bahay namin. Century 2 na. So ngayon mga inday is yun nga, pauwi na tayo. Nag-order kami ng burger sa anak ko.
What the
It's close. Nag-order kami ng burger, pagkain niya day, and then uuwi na daw siya day. Uuwi na daw siya.
I'm sure that paint's dried. I am not sitting at these
pila ni ka minutes yung vlog diri. 45. Shush. Mga inday, nandito kami sa sasakyan uli dahil lalabas tayo. And then of course, hindi mawala yung ilong ni Bibi Kano day. Pupunasan ko muna tong ilong ni Bibi Kano day ha. At saka paglagay ko ng lipstick mamaya day. Luspad na taday. Tingnan natin. Kami dito day kasi may malaking box. May malaking box na dumating. Package. For sure that is Koji. Ay, bakit nupin ang asawa ko day? Nandiyan yung asawa ko sa... What is that?
It is a high chair.
High chair. High chair pala yan ni ano day, ni Bibi Kano day. Inordiran.
You finally got a high chair.
Inordiran namin ng high
Yeah.
chair day. Finally, 1 year. 1 year and 6 months na si Asha ngayon pa na-orderan.
Yeah, now we gotta train you to not be a caveman.
Ginoo ko Lord. Allah.
It's like starting all over.
Yeah. Jesus. Oh my God.
Okay, so I got a lot done there, love.
Yeah, but my teeth, doctor teeth, you don't call because
Get
of
that tomorrow too. Yeah, I will
things
get it
happen.
Use seatbelt.
Okay, mag-seatbelt ko dagi. Wala nagsumbong na dahil. Kailangan ko na mag-seatbelt.
Yeah, you know the car's not gonna let you get away with that.
Yeah. My teeth is really need lots of fix need to do. My front teeth is like
Yeah, we'll get it taken care of, love.
and then it's a lot of things.
We're gonna go through probably many visits here first. So
Yeah.
it's like they all gotta be set in the afternoon. How you doing back there, Asher?
Hungry.
Hungry? Are you hungry, Asher? You gonna be good in the restaurant?
Maybe Papa.
Don't cause no trouble?
Kasi Bibi Kano kasi diba? Gusto siyang gumagawa siya ng mga ingay ba? Ganyan si Bibi Kano sa loob ng restaurant.
Yeah, but we think we figured it out, love.
Yeah.
It's the engine.
Yeah.
He loves
Yung
cars.
engine namin po day, yung sound ng sasakyan day, kinakapi niya. Nagaganyan-ganyan si Bibi Kano. Hayaan nyo na yung kilay ko day. Wala, nabura na yung eyebrow ko day. Hayaan nyo na There is not much people today.
Yeah, that's why it's...
Hi everybody! Hello!
This bottomless ass.
Asawa ko day, nandyan yung asawa ko day. Nandito tayo sa...
Yeah.
Nandito tayo sa restaurant mga inday. Kumakain kami. So yung anak ko, gusto niyang umuwi sa bahay dahil gusto niya, kaya yung nag-order na lang kami dahil sa what we call that basta rin, nag-order na lang kami para sa kanya. Kaya yun yung nakitaan kanina. So ngayon lang talaga kami what we call that, nakapunta kasi may inisikaso yung asawa ko dahil nag-asikaso siya sa insurance ng sasakyan kasi hindi kasi pwede yun ibigay yung sasakyan sa amin kapag walang insurance, car insurance ba. So kaya ngayon lang kami dito nakapunta.
That's right, we're getting it all done.
Yeah, we are all done. Dito tayo. Nandito tayo. Dunkin. Ay, you can use the card. Let's see how much our points.
No, we keep going.
You keep going.
Until we
I
all
want
eat
to
for
check.
free.
I want to check.
Yeah, until everybody eats for free. Just keep on going. Ay,
Oh, oh.
ay, oh. Is he filming? He's filming, love.
Ah, sure. They don't see your face. Mga inday, ito yung food in order namin dahil.
Say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus, for the food. Yung bana natin dahil
It's
kaon.
like you're just filming the same meal all over again.
Yeah. Ano, TV ka no. Ito ka, baby ka no rin.
But it didn't ask about what kind of sauce.
Yeah, that's right.
We
Kain
only got
tayo.
one Southwest because he didn't ask.
Yeah. Oy, this is a lot.
Well, good, Asher?
Ano day? Ano sa ano? Cheese stick.
Yeah, that's right. Cheese sticks.
Cheese stick. Mm.
On that one channel, they're in Alaska. So they're in Alaska. Well, they were. Whoa, is it snow? Yeah. Wait, it's circling. That's crazy.
Tayo
Well,
kagad.
finally,
Mga inday, tapos na kami mga inday. And then, busog. Hala day, where is the box? I forgot.
bring the.
I will get the box.
I got the babies.
Mga inday, nakalimutan ko yung box na dalhin day. Yung take out namin. Para to sa anak ko day. Isa day si Kuji day. Yung panganay kong anak ba. Day, medyo maginaw talaga siya day. Uy, Ginoo ko Lord. Ay, nandiyan na yung mag-ama ko day. Nauna na day. Ay, kukunin ko muna si Bibi Kano mga inday. Inday, nasa upuan niya. Sis, ang bad, ang cute ay. Eh, let's go na. Pasok na tayo dito sa ating upuan na. Ay, thank you. Thanks God. Thanks God. Ay.
I heard it.
Ah, sobrang ay.
Restaurants. It's all their fault.
Yeah, that's right. Ay, Ginoo ko. Ah.
It's like no dishes.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah, what are you doing? Uy! You are out na. Bata nga gamit, nag-walking na. Hala! 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 Bata! Where you go, man? Hala, nagdagan-dagan na day. Tumatakbo ng bata natin day. Shh! No. Don't get this one. I will put in the garbage. Type freezing daw yan, day. Ay, iwan ko. Wala akong alam sa sasakyan, day. Uy, Ginoo ko, medyo malamig, day. Pero Terribles ng bell ko, day. Day, medyo maganda na yung ating kapaligiran. Kasi yung mga puno namin, day, may mga dahon na, day. Oh, may dahon na. Oh, di ba, day? Hindi na yung puro ano lang stick ng kahoy. Oh, nandito. Nangungulit sa papa niya. Where you go? Huy. Huy, what is that, Chilton? Hala, sige, sige. Lo, tumatakbo. Lo. Tingnan niyo yung sapatos, bibi kano, day. Dalawang aso. Dalawang aso. Lo. Papa. Papa.
Thank you.
Binigyan niya yung papa niya ng ano, day. Binigyan niya ng bato. Yan yung ano, what is that, ganilap?
It's high chair.
High chair. High chair yan ni Asher.
Oh,
Bibi ka, no?
thank you so much. So nice.
Hoy, Hilton. Let's go na inside na. It's little bit cold na. Asher, tara, let's go na.
Oh, thank you.
Let's go na kami na, mama, be. Ikaw ron, ha? Bantakas ko ron. Dali na, dali na. Day, tingnan niyo yung ano, day. O, itong bulak na ito, day. Maganda siya, tingnan, day. Ito yung parang, ano, sa Bisaya ba, ang tayhupon, day, tayhupon na mo, tapos mukuan siya, day. Di ba, day? Ang ganda.